Today we're going to be taking a look at the B&W Tow Stow 2-ball mount for a 2" by 2" trailer hitch receiver. The ball mount is going to have the built-in hitch balls. That's going to let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The shank is the portion that slides into the receiver tube of your hitch, and then the hitch balls provide the connection points for your trailer coupler. Now this unit does feature a stowable design that actually lets you store the balls and mounting platform on the reverse side of the mounting block underneath the hitch of the vehicle. To move it to a stowed position, there's a couple steps we need to do. I'm going to change the orientation of the hitch balls. So by pulling that pin and clip, we can rotate the hitch balls either to a stowed position, or we can move it to whatever hitch ball we need for our towing application. It's going to be two different sizes. You're going to have a 2" ball and a 2 5/16" ball. So for a stowed position, we're going to move it to this setting right here. And then we can pull the rear pins. So we'll do that real quick. That's going to allow the platform to swivel around the reverse side of that mounting block. So then you would simply just line back up the pinholes, secure it in this position with the pins and clips. Now what this does is it gives a clean flush look to the back of the vehicle, and it's going to fully expose the officially licensed gold color Browning logo to add some style to the vehicle. When you're ready to tow, you just pull out the pins and clips, rotate the unit back to the front, and then it's going to feature the adjustable height setting or adjustable height feature. So you can change the actual height of the hitch balls. What that does is that allows you to tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle and the same ball mount. It also helps make sure that the ball height is level with the coupler height of the trailer for a nice level towing setup. So once we find the height that we need, we can simply reinstall the pins. And then secure with the clips on the other side. Again, the unit's going to feature two differently sized hitch balls. These are going to be made from a steel construction. They're going to feature a chrome nickel plating, so they're going to do a great job at resisting rust and corrosion and lasting a long time. The rest of the unit, like the ball mount platform and the adjustable portion and the shank, that's made from steel as well. That's going to have a black powder coat finish, which is going to do a great job at resisting rust and corrosion. It's also going to be constructed of high yield tubing, so that's going to add to the strength and durability of the overall unit. The pins on the unit are made from a stainless steel construction, so that's going to provide sturdy, rust-proof connections. The hitch pin and clip or hitch lock to get this secured in your hitch, that's not included, so you will need to provide that separately. If you need one, you can check out some options here at etrailer.com. The pin holes on this shank right here will accept a standard 5/8" diameter pin. Now when it comes to the gross towing weight capacity, that's going to be dependent upon whatever ball you're using. For the 2" ball, it's going to have a capacity of 7,500 pounds. For the 2 5/16" ball, that's going to have a capacity of 10,000 pounds. A few measurements that I want to mention for you real quick. I'm just going to change the height of our platform here, that way I can get a more level measurement. Simply just need to raise it up another notch. That's the neat thing that I like about the unit, is that the adjustable height really allows you to get the exact height that you need for your towing setup. And it's just overall a really nice design, very easy to use, and it's very easy to make those small adjustments. This mount can be used in either the drop or the rise positions to best fit your application and your needs. The measurements we're going to take, simply measuring from the center of the hitch ball to the center of each pinhole location. You'll notice that the unit has 2 pinhole locations. You can just choose whatever one works best for your application. So we'll take a measurement from the center of the hitch balls to the center of the hitch pinholes. To the closest hitch pinhole, we're looking at a measurement of about 9 1/4 inches. Now these pinholes are separated by 1 1/8 inch, so to the center of that rear pinhole, that's going to be about 10 3/8 inch. The distance from the center of each pinhole to the front of the mounting block, so if this unit was moved in the stowed position, The outermost point of the unit would be the front face here of the mounting block where that Browning logo is. And so we can take a measurement from the center of the hitch pinhole on this unit and on your hitch, and you can measure out the measurements I'm going to give you and see how far this is going to go out from the hitch. So to the closest pinhole, we're looking at about 4.5 inches. To that rear pinhole, we're looking at about 5 5/8. Now with it in the drop position, at the fully lowered position, this is going to give us a maximum drop of around 3 inches. That's measuring from the top of the shank to the top of the ball platform. This can also be used in the rise position, and with it at the highest setting, from the top of the shank to the top of the ball platform, that would give us a maximum rise of around 3.5 inches, and then you can make a height adjustment in increments of 1 inch. Really nice, versatile design. B&W makes this product right here in the USA, and it's going to be covered with a limited lifetime warranty. That's going to do it for today's look at the B&W Tow Stow 2 ball mount for 2-inch hitches.